In this video, we're going to show how to set up the BOGEYBOX transmitter. The RF Solutions BOGEYBOX is a radio transmitter with 4 inputs. You can use BOGEYBOX to enable any volt-free input to send a radio signal, capable of wireless switching a compatible relay. The BOGEYBOX can operate from self-contained batteries or from a 5 to 15 volt permanent supply. To select this, use this jumperlink with the 3 pins. To select the battery supply, ensure the jumperlink is over the 2 pins closest to the side labelled BAT. To select permanent supply, place the jumperlink over the pins closest to the side labelled REG. Once you've opened the enclosure and powered up the board, and wired in your inputs, to pair your inputs to a receiver, once your compatible receiver is in pairing mode, simply activate the input channel that you're looking to pair from the BOGEYBOX. The BOGEYBOX inputs can operate in 2 ways. To set your inputs to operate in an on-off latching, leave your jumperlink over 1 pin on LK2. When you operate your input, this will switch the relay output on. When you operate the input again, it will switch the output off. To set your inputs to operate in a toggle momentary action, put your jumperlink over both pins on LK2. So now when you press and hold your input, the input will operate your paired receiver's relay for as long as you press and hold your switch. Finally, the BOGEYBOX has 8 modes of RF transmission. It's supplied in FM mode, and if your receiver also has LoRa modes, you could also put your BOGEYBOX into the same LoRa mode for increased range operation. To do this, press and hold the push button once for 2 seconds. Your RF LED will flash once. Wait 3 seconds for it to flash again. You must now push the button and wait for the number of LED flashes that correspond to the desired mode. So for example, I will put the transmitter into LoRa mode 4. Press again. 5 flashes, and LoRa mode 4. Wait for the LED to ignite, and the BOGEYBOX is in LoRa mode 4. Repeat the process for your different modes. The BOGEYBOX has to be on the same mode as the receiver it is trying to operate. So for example, this Riot system is on LoRa mode 4. So now my BOGEYBOX is on LoRa mode 4. The BOGEYBOX will operate the Riot system. To reset your BOGEYBOX modes to factory default settings, back to FM mode, remove power from your BOGEYBOX. Press the push button on the PCB and hold it down, then restore power. Your LEDs on the front of the box will flash. Then, when you release the push button, this will reset the modes back to FM mode. If you have any questions on configuring the BOGEYBOX, ask away in the comments, or feel free to get in touch with our support team. Thanks for watching.